Hello from Lancaster. Nice journey over the Pennines. I've had Kirby Stephen had some beautiful chemtrails. It was nice blue skies virtually all the way across, but they're heavily laden with chemtrails, and we've got one here now. Snot rocket just laying. It's bloody shifting as well. My God, it is shifting. Ridiculous. You know, these pilots are fucking brain dead. They'll do anything for the money, including sacrificing us lot. Where's the RAF? They should be shooting these bastards out of the sky. They're meant to be defending us, aren't they? We're getting chemical attacks here on air raids. As you can see, the trails are appearing through the clouds. It's cleared quite a bit here. Over we go. Messy. Anyway, bugger it, things to do. Chat soon. Bye.